Today we will start our introduction part. Let us know what is Python. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, that is server side, software development, mathematics, system scripting. Let us know what is Python. Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production-ready software development. What can Python do? Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production-ready software development. Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Coconut Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on a interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Good to know, the most recent major version of Python is Python 3.10.1 or maybe 3.10.2, which we shall be using in this tutorial. However, Python 2, although not being updated with anything other than security updates, is still quite popular. In this tutorial, Python will be written in a Visual Studio Code. It is possible to write Python in an integrated development environment such as Visual Studio Code, Thorny, PyCharm, NetBeans or Eclipse, which are particularly useful when managing larger collections of Python files. Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Python uses new lines to complete a command, or as opposed to other programming languages which often uses semicolons or parentheses. Python relies on indentation using whitespace to define scope such as the scope of loops, functions and classes. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for this purpose. Okay friends, this is the end of part 1, introduction. In next video, let us learn about another topic, getting started, how to install and run Python. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. If possible, share our videos by different social media and support our cause to reach 1 crore people and make our project great success. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.